Hurricane Fiona is officially the first major hurricane of the season, bringing heavy rains and flooding to Puerto Rico. The National Hurricane Center upgraded the storm to a Category 3 early this morning.
Parts of the area are still under a flood watch until 8 o'clock tonight. Meteorologist Marcus Bailey is watching the storm, its track, and what's happening now. Such devastation we've seen, Marcus.
Yeah, and the problem was it was such a slow-moving storm. It was not as strong as it is now when it hit Puerto Rico. So thankfully it wasn't a wind issue on top of the heavy rain, but obviously devastating flooding on the island of Puerto Rico. Now it's over open water, and so it has really strengthened. The first major hurricane of the Atlantic season. I know very late in the game, but now classified as a Category 3. This is the island of Turks and Caicos right here, and they're getting hit very hard on the west end of the eye, which is right around here, and we've seen that kind of reorganize a little bit. Fiona is anticipated to actually jump to a Category 4 probably sometime within the next 24 to 36 hours. Could clip Bermuda, which is out here. Not going to be a direct hit, but they're going to get some impacts. But it should stay away from the U.S. mainland. If we get any issues along the U.S. coast, along the Atlantic, it will likely be due to maybe some high surf because of the strength of that storm. But that's really about it. So there's Fiona. It's been very, very quiet thus far here in the Atlantic hurricane season, kind of ramping up a little bit. We're going to watch two other systems here to the west, both of which have either a 40 to 60% chance of development with over the next 5 days, especially that one down to the south. We'll have to watch and see if that sneaks into the Gulf maybe next week. We'll keep you updated on that as we roll along here over the next 7 to 10 days.